Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So it's been just over 6 months now that I've been using the King's 270 awning, so I thought I'd give you a bit of a quick update. We're out here on the Eyre Peninsula at the Eyre Caves campground, and again, go back to the channel. There's a huge playlist in relation to this big trip. Again, it's called 5 Mates, 3 Rigs, One Hell of a Trip. Go check out that playlist and you'll see absolutely everything, campsites, all the adventures, the places we've gone, camp cooking, you name it. Go check it out, great for trip planning also. But I thought I'd give you a bit of a quick look at the awning, because where we're set up here at the campground, it's quite gusty. And things I think you must do if you're going to have this awning, and what additional things you should buy in addition to the awning. So let's go for a bit of a quick walk around. So as you can see here, I absolutely love this. It is an absolute beast. One of the most favourite things I've actually ever purchased. And I'm not talking for just rain, for just purely for shade, especially out here in Central Australia. Like it does an absolutely amazing job to provide cover, especially because I've got the camp kitchen at the rear of the car. So I need cover from standing out in the sun all the time, even just for setting up camp. So as you can see, it sort of wraps around the vehicle quite nicely. I've got my kitchen that pulls out the back. One of the things I wanted to quickly talk about was the fact that the awning itself comes down with tie-down straps, which are fantastic. They work really, really well, but it does not come with poles, okay? And in these sort of conditions, I don't think the straps are enough. Like, they'll do the job, but that sort of flexing, the poles stop that on the arms, and that's the thing you've got to be careful of and look after the arms. So there is a kit you can purchase where you can purchase actually the poles with walls and floor. So it's up to you if you want to go that far. I ended up purchasing walls for this trip just in case for the poor weather, and because we were doing a lot of beach stuff. And today they've actually come in handy. The first night on the beach we used them. So, but you can actually just buy the poles individually, and I would suggest you buy at least 2 of them, okay? The one on the rear, probably not so, because it gets supported off the actual roof rack, tied back to the roof rack, but 2 as an absolute minimum. But yeah, I have no issues recommending this. I've absolutely had no issues whatsoever. And again, I'm not affiliated with Kings in any way, shape or form. If it's rubbish, it's rubbish. If it's not, it's not. The only other things I'd sort of suggest, this flap here is a bit of a pain in the bum with opening and closing the doors. And the fact that there should be another strap here for when you tie up the awning, okay? I think that's a must. And it would be good if they had some sort of system, because you sort of tuck it in under there, but it just keeps falling down. So that's my sort of only qualm. And then I've also got the King's lighting system for the whole thing. You can sort of see it all lit up at night time. It works really well, and that just plugs into the back of the car. So yeah, but other than that, no qualms whatsoever. So that's a bit of a quick update. So again, hope you found that useful. And again, go check out the channel for a whole heap more stuff. Give us the thumbs up, subscribe, share it around. See you in the next video, guys. We're out on the road. Cheers. Bye.